Hey guys, welcome back. I've got Dave here in the shop again with another chainsaw video. So I'll get straight to the point, guys. We had a question under video. It was the video entitled, "Can I rev up a chainsaw without the bar and chain?" Now, question we got, Dave, is can I tune my chainsaw by just putting gas in the gas tank and no bar oil if I'm not going to be cutting firewood with it anyway?
So I haven't actually considered that yet. I know from our previous video, obviously it's a bad idea to rev up the chainsaw. There's some issues with the clutch and over revving an engine without any load on it. Now this is a MS291. We're going to be diagnosing this one. There's an issue with it, right?
Yeah. So Dave, if a person were to, just put gas in the gas tank, the oil tank's empty.
Yeah.
And the question again was, can I tune my chainsaw? I'm not cutting firewood, so do I really need to add bar oil if I'm not going to be cutting firewood to tune it?
Right. So that's a good question. Immediately I'm thinking that if this chain is spinning, things are going to be heating up. So you know what? I'm not really that sure. If I'm not, putting it
You won't be cutting firewood. The guy said he wouldn't be cutting firewood.
Right. So if the chain, eventually I think things will start to heat up. So I can see that being a problem. But I don't really know if, a short running session without any oil is a bad idea. I'm pretty sure you probably know the answer. But my immediate inkling is that it'll eventually cause a problem. So maybe I'm missing something. Maybe there's something more to it. What do you think?
Well, Dave, you're on the right track.
Okay.
So you don't want to even tune your chainsaw without bar oil in it.
Okay.
Okay, my next question to you, Dave, though, is what other damage could you cause to a chainsaw besides the bar and chain if you rev it up without bar oil in it? Just think about it, Dave. Just when you put oil in the oil tank, where is it going to go? Where's the first place that oil's going?
Right to the oil pump.
Exactly.
So if that worm gear in the oil pump is spinning and it doesn't have any oil lubrication, there's probably a risk of, that totally
It's not good. It's going to get hotter for sure. I mean, you may not wear out or damage the pump right away.
Right.
It's a bad habit to get into.
So best practice is, even if you're just tuning a chainsaw or firing it up, or just a quick rev just to test your diagnostics, always have bar oil in the tank.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And again, I'll reiterate what we mentioned in other videos. Always have your bar and chain if you will be revving up your chainsaw for any length of time.
Okay. Bar and chain, and then with that, a full tank of oil.
Absolutely.
Got it.
Absolutely. And another tip too is every time you gas up your saw, you should fill up the oil because they are meant to go down together.
Really? I didn't know that.
Or simultaneously at the same time.
So 1 tank of oil for 1 tank of mixed fuel.
Exactly. So just get in the habit of when you fill up your gas tank, fill up the oil tank.
Makes sense to me.
All right, Dave, does that make sense?
Fill it with oil.
Yeah.
Makes sense to me.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to comment below. Comment about any chainsaw questions you have. Make sure to subscribe to both our channels. The links are below the video.
Thanks, guys.
And make sure to tune in our next video. Have a great day.